Scary, huh? If there's one thing you don't want on your computer, it's a virus. If you get a virus and the worst it does is slow your computer down, you should think of yourself as lucky, because many viruses can take over your computer, steal your personal information, even wipe the whole thing out. Imagine the time and money that you're going to waste not only replacing your computer, but having to recover lost data and maybe even clean up the mess if someone steals your identity. And that's not talking about malware that can spy on you or prank you, or ransomware that can hold your computer hostage. And did I mention precious, irreplaceable family memories? It's called FixMeStick. Now, why a USB stick? Because unlike many programs that run on your computer's hard drive, FixMeStick boots its own system that can run independently of your computer software. Let me show you. We'll start by plugging it in like this. Now, it'll take a few seconds for your computer to find the FixMeStick. There it is. We will navigate over and fire up the application like so. The first thing it's going to ask us to do is to reboot our computer. The reason it's going to ask you to reboot the computer is so that the FixMeStick can run independently of your computer software. Very often they can go undetected if your antivirus software is working on the same drive that they are on. After that, we'll go ahead and follow the instructions. This is our friendly little fixer-upper. We'll start the scan, and then we'll take a nap or grab some lunch, because the scan can take a little bit of a while. That's why I started this scan a little while ago. It actually took over 6 hours to complete, but that's a good thing. It means it's doing a thorough job. In fact, the FixMeStick combines 10 different antivirus engines from such industry leaders as Sophos, McAfee, and Avira. When it's all done, we'll click that clean computer button and no more viruses. Once your computer's cleaned, you'll find that it runs faster and more efficiently. That old computer you've got lying around that you think is slow and outdated, try the FixMeStick on it. You never know, it might just be viruses and malware slowing it down. Additionally, the FixMeStick keeps itself updated with all the latest virus definitions, and you can use it on multiple computers. You can't do that with other antivirus programs. By the way, it works on Macs as well. FixMeStick.